corrupt, criminal mafia scum!
Yeah! That's right! That's right!
Whose sidewalk? Our sidewalk!
Whose sidewalk? Our sidewalk! Whose How the mighty have fallen!
Come on, officer, join humanity! Resist your orders!
Our streets! 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 Our streets!
Thank you for protecting our safety, officers, but I think we got this covered. We, free humanity, have you surrounded. We are awakened to the bankster bailout, raping, and the illegal wars. We're all connected to a unified field.
Hands off Syria! Hands off Syria! Hands off!
Officer, you're being spied on too. It sucks. That's what this whole smokescreen of war is about. To distract everybody. From the NSA surveillance, the Benghazi scandal. What about the IRS scandal? What about the police state that's engrossing society? We're gonna take it down, dismantle the criminal regime, the Obama regime.
1, 2, 3, 4, we don't want your fucking wars! 1, 2, 3, war! We don't want your fucking wars! 1, 2, 3, 4, we don't want your fucking wars! 1, 2, 3, 4, we don't want your fucking wars! 1, 2, 3, 4, we don't want your fucking wars!
1, 2, 3, 4.
We don't want your fucking wars!
1, 2, 3, 4, we don't want your fucking wars!
1, 2, 3, 4.
We don't want your fucking wars!
1, 2, 3, 4.
We don't want your fucking wars!
1, 2, 3, 4.
We don't want your fucking wars!
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we getting kettled in like rats in a maze? Is this what's happening? Are we being taken hostage? Is this a mass group hostage-taking situation? 1, 2, 3, 4.
We don't want your fucking wars!
Maybe we're being herded like cattle, like the Talmudic Zionist Jews call us the cattle, the goyim. That's what the bankster law enforcement class is here to take over for. But they know we love them. We are all one. We are all one consciousness, connected by a unified field, existing on multiple planes of reality. This isn't just mainline science, buddies. This is what ancient Eastern mysticism already knew. That we're all connected, we're all one. And you know it, you feel it in your hearts. I love you, officer. And I care about your family and your future. And, you know, it's a lot more important than a paycheck, than a pension that's not necessarily guaranteed with the bankster mafia cartel that pulls the strings of the puppeteering dictator, Curious George looking Obama.
A police officer from the city of Los Angeles. I hereby declare this to be an unlawful assembly in the name of the people of the state of California. Command all those assembled at Highland and Sunset to immediately disperse, which means break up this assembly. If you do not do so, you may be arrested or subject to other police action. Other police action may include the use of less lethal munitions, which could cause significant risk of serious injury to those who remain. Section 409 of the Penal Code prohibits remaining present at an unlawful assembly.
We are peaceful, non-resistant.
Which includes Sunset to Hollywood.
Protect!
From
Who do you
Orange
serve? Who do you
to
protect? Who do you serve?
You will be in violation of Section 409. The following routes of dispersal are available. You may go westbound on Sunset.
Thank you, Master. That was it? One direction?
Do not go westbound on Sunset. You'll be subject to arrest.
Sunset and they're not letting us pass.
Show them.
What's that about?
Show me.
Westbound
Show
on
me.
Sunset
Who's our
and they're not letting
president?
us pass.
What's you guys?
I call that a trap.
Is that west?
Right here.
Is that west, sir? That's west?
I call that a pretty good challenge.
On Sunset.
He says west on
We
Sunset.
can't go with
That's westbound. They're not letting us go. Check it out. Westbound.
We can go that way.
Change the direction.
We are peaceful, non-violent resistance, so we will comply.
Tell them when they build robots, they're going to be out of work.
You are not subject to arrest. This area has been declared
Ma'am, which way is west on Sunset?
that way.
That way. There was a wall of police blocking that.
I understand that. That's why they've now moved westbound Sunset.
Did they not understand the captain's orders at first or something?
Let's go this way.
These are military.
Let's go.
All you can do is take our bodies.
We could go this way too.
Yeah.
We could go back where we came from.
That's what he said.
That's what he said. Yeah. But why are you not answering me, sir? That's very disrespectful, man. I have respect for you. I'm not the perp. I'm who you protect and serve. Fucking disgusting, man. Fucking pussy ass faggots.